Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart virtually with Vista United School District, and it was truly an honor to get to speak to everyone today at a couple different after-school programs. I'm here in my home state of Michigan, and obviously I had to visit through the computer screen based on what's going on around the world, but really thinking about everything that is facing us, all the tough times that we've gone through and are going to go through, and the difficulties that we've and the challenges that we've been facing. The focus for today's message was all about positivity, and the underarching theme was to be your best self. So even if things get tough, right, even if we think that we want to just give up, that we keep our head up. And that's why I wear this shirt for this particular presentation, because it says keep your head up upside down on purpose. So if you look down or feel down, it reads keep your head up. It's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. And so many of us, we compare ourselves to other people, and we think that we're not good enough, or that we're not smart enough, or that we're not fast enough, or we're not pretty enough, whatever not enough it is. We need to replace those negative beliefs with something more positive. Because like we talked about today, whatever you tell your brain or your heart, it's going to believe that, right? And we don't want to have it believe lies, because all of us are beautiful people. We're all beautiful miracles. We talked about the M on all of our palms with the lines on your hand. We all have the letter M, at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here, but this M stands for miracle. Upside down W, it's for worthy, that we're all worthy of love, to both give it and receive it, and that we are all beautiful people, right? Beautiful miracles, and that all that's expected of us is to try and give our greatest effort, right? For how we treat ourselves, which is hopefully with positivity, but how we treat others too. Because a lot of people don't believe that. They don't really have that self-esteem, or that high self-belief. And so it's up to people like us to be that light to their hearts and help them see their value, help them see their worth, and be those friends to everybody around us. So this also means not only having a positive attitude, but making sure that we encourage others in this process. That it's one thing to believe in ourselves and to never give up, knowing that the opposite of success is not failure, but giving up. Knowing that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting, right? And you can't fail unless you quit. And so part of what we have to understand too is that it's also how we treat others and how we encourage others. So that means that how we can be there for someone else to help them reach their goals, that if we're amazing at a certain subject or a certain talent, the sign of a true leader is go help someone else who's maybe not as good as you, right? Bring them up to your level, if not higher. And that's how we start making this world a better place, and how we continue to be our best selves. Thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Looking forward to our talk next month, which will be about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose here on earth. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Hit the notification bell too to get future updates on videos just like this. Check out the amazing playlist of inspirational clips that you see down here. And check out the website as you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.